Welcome to Western GMC Buick. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2018 Buick Enclave. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with alloy rims. We have rear privacy tint, dual sunroofs, power liftgate, heated and cooled seats, power adjustable seats, navigation, and backup camera. Moving on to the interior now of the Enclave. On our door panel we can see we have our wooden trim, chrome door handle, memory seat option, window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in option, brown and black two-tone on our door panel, and below that we have our our power liftgate controls, Bose speaker, and storage. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats as well as lumbar support. Then left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls and electric park brake. Gauge cluster with screen. Multifunction leather wrapped steering wheel. You can also see we have wooden trim up top here. Our push start. Infotainment screen. Vehicle assists off to either side. If we go to our home page here, we can see we have projection for the vehicle, as well as navigation and backup camera built in. Below that we have our radio controls, heated and cooled seat option, dual zone climate control, our wireless charging pad and 2 USB ports as well as an auxiliary input. Then here's our key, Buick silhouette. We have our lock button in the middle with Buick badge, power liftgate, and remote start. We have 2 cup holders under our wooden cover, gear selection stock, our padded leather center console lid, finished in brown leather, and the front seats are featured in brown leather as well. Avenir is embossed into the headrests, and then perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. And again, these are heated, cooled, power adjustable with lumbar support. Our rear view mirror with rear view camera built in. Above that are OnStar controls, reading lights, controls for our sunroof and moonroof, as well as our sunglass holder, and dual sunroofs above. Back onto the exterior now, we can see we have our paint matched mirror caps with side indicators, Avenir badging down below in chrome, as well as chrome stripping that runs the length of the vehicle. Our chrome accents on the door handles with lock and unlock buttons. That's for all 4 around the vehicle. And then our rear privacy tint. You can see we have our alloy rims with Buick badge center caps. And then around to the back we have our Buick Enclave badging, dual exhaust, down below, chrome tipped. Our power liftgate. You can also open it using the key or the button on the inside. There we have the mats for the vehicle, and the controls to fold down the rear seats. Now onto the rear interior of the Enclave. We can see we have again our 2-tone door panel, black and brown, wooden trim, chrome door handle, window switch, a cup holder built in, and our speaker and storage underneath. Back of the front seats we have leather magazine holders. In back of the center console area we have our rear climate control, heated seat option, and charging outlets. We have our 2 bucket seats with fold down leather armrests. Again, they have perforated leather and they're on rails so they slide forward and backwards. They're the heated seats in the rear of the vehicle, and in the far rear we have a 60-40 split. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2018 Buick Enclave. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Western Buick GMC sometime very soon.